Hello guys, welcome to my installation video and review of the Whitestone dome for the LG V30. Do note that the installation video is sped up. In real time it will probably take you 10 minutes to install it. For me it took half an hour, but that's because I was persistent with the dust particles. So without further ado, let's begin. I've installed this Whitestone dome screen protector in the shower after I steamed the entire room, so all the dust particles will go down. Also, I was naked. First I'll remove the old screen protector, which had adhesive only on the sides. You'll need to clean your screen thoroughly with the alcohol wipe and then with the microfiber cloth. Then I'll place the LG V30 in the plastic tray that comes with the Whitestone dome. Now it's time to cover the LG top speaker with the included sticker, so liquid won't come inside. We'll now place the included foam bars on the sides. We'll now place the second plastic tray on top of the first plastic tray. Then proceed to remove any dust particles remain with the included dust sticker. I'll now place the top pin that will hold the screen protector from sticking to the glue. Then I'll place the included bridge that holds the adhesive. I'll now take off the yellow cap and then place the glue on top of the bridge, then slowly releasing the second cap and then waiting 30 seconds for the glue to come out. After removing the bridge, I'll take off the protective cover from the glass screen protector and then place it on the tray. Then I'll tilt the tray so the glue will go to the middle. Once in the middle, I'll release the pin. Now I'll wait 80 seconds for the adhesive to spread. It's important not to touch the screen while this process is happening. Now it's time to cure the glue. 15 seconds stop, 15 seconds slower. It's time to clear the phone from any excess glue. After this, we'll go for the second curing. We'll cure the phone for 60 seconds stop and 60 seconds button. That's it, the installation is complete. As you guys can see, the screen protector is perfectly adhered. It is true that it does not cover the edges, but it does cover the entire viewable portion of the screen. No bubbles, no microdots, and no rainbow effect. I've had this screen protector for about a week now. The touch sensitivity using this screen protector is superb. The protector hasn't started to lift and was compatible with my other Ringic Onyx case and the Tech 21 Evo Check for the LG V30 that I'm now using. I'll now demonstrate the protector's screen coverage using one of my diving videos. If you want to stay up to date with my channel uploads, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you're enjoying this video, by all means, click the like button. This is by far the best screen protector for the LG V30. If you want that original glass feel, but also want to protect the LG V30 screen from drops and scratches, this is the way to go. I've bought this screen protector for $30 from Amazon. The current pricing are $45. If I were you, I would wait for another sale and then buy 2 pieces, one for installation and one as a backup. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you V30 owners. My name is Allcoin, and I will catch you up on the next video.